Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.4% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The International Energy Agency on Tuesday sharply cut its forecast for the growth of global oil demand this year due to escalating trade tensions, a day after a similar move by producer group OPEC. The agency also said it expects 2026 growth to slow further. The dollar stabilized, edging up from a three-year low against the euro as risk sentiment improved, but also held near a six-month trough against the yen as investors worried about the impact of US President Donald Trump's trade tariffs on the US economy. The amount of Bitcoin held on the books of publicly traded companies rose by 16.1% in the first quarter of 2025, according to crypto fund issuer Bitwise. Total company Bitcoin holdings rose to around 688,000 BTC by the end of Q1, with firms adding over 95k BTC over the quarter.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's Westpac Leading Index will be released at 1 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT, the UK's Consumer Price Index at 6 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 2350 GMT, the US capacity utilization at 1315 GMT, Germany's 30Y bond auction at 9:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.